हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। इन दिस वीडियो मैं आप लोग के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ब्रेड पुडिंग रेसिपी। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस प्रोसीजर। फर्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग 1/4 cup sugar and into the pan and caramelize this sugar. Pour the caramel in the pan and slide in all side, as you can see. So keep aside and so I'm making custard mixture. So first I'm taking a bowl and 1/4 cup custard powder and half cup water. So custard mixture is ready, as you can see. Next I am making a pudding batter. So let's start. So I am taking a pan and 1.5 cup milk and add half cup sugar and medium is low, become boiling. Add custard batter, custard mixture, and add this mixture. Cook it to medium flame and keep stir cook. Cook with until become thickness like this. Flame is down and add the breadcrumbs. 6 breadcrumbs. I'm adding this. I'm gradually adding breadcrumbs. So 6 breadcrumbs, 6 pieces of breadcrumbs. So I'm mixing them. So as you can see, I'm add total breadcrumbs. I'm pour the pudding mixture into the pan. Tap into the middle. So as you can see, it is set and so a heavy pan, I am place it a stand and I'm down the pour the pan. As you can see, I am down the pan and stream 20 to 30 minutes. Around 30 minutes before pudding is ready and I'm out these sides and I am 2 hour room temperature in 2 hours. So it is ready and I'm cut. please subscribe my channel and try this recipe and like this video. So bye bye.